Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 21st September. Let's start. In the year of 1743, on this day, Raja Savai Jai Singh, the brave and very diplomatic king of Amer, passed away. In the year of 1857, on this day, Bahadur Shah II surrendered to the British. In the year of 1905, on this day, Ucharang Rai Naval Sankar Devar, Indian freedom fighter and Chief Minister of Saurashtra State from 1948 to 1954, was born. In the year of 1928, on this day, the magazine My Weekly Reader was launched. In the year of 1942, on this day, the Boeing B-29 Superfortress made its first flight. In the year of 1949, on this day, communist leaders in China announced the People's Republic of China Party, the largest political party in China. In the year of 1964, on this day, Malta gained independence from Britain. In the year of 1966, on this day, famous Indian swimmer Mihir Sen made another record by crossing the Bay of Bosphorus. In the year of 1984, on this day, Brunei joined the United Nations. In the year of 1985, on this day, Amarnath Vidyalankar, Indian freedom struggle fighter, journalist, social worker, and MP, passed away. In the year of 1991, on this day, Armenia gained independence from the Soviet Union. In the year of 2000, on this day, the Liberal Democratic Friends of India Society was established for better relations between India and Britain. In the year of 2001, on this day, fighting began in Afghanistan between the ruling Taliban regime and the Northern Alliance. In the year of 2004, on this day, the US lifted economic sanctions on the Libya. In the year of 2007, on this day, oil production started in Reliance Krishna Godavari Basin. In the year of 2011, on this day, a team of international scientists led by the University of Australia succeeded in discovering 16 genes responsible for high blood pressure. In the year of 2017, on this day, Andre Ward, the unified light heavyweight champion and the world's top pound-for-pound boxer, announced his retirement. In the year of 2020, on this day, for the first time, two women officers joined the helicopter stream of the Indian Navy as observers. These women officers were the first batch of women air fighters to be operated from warships. The entry of women officers was earlier restricted to fixed-wing aircraft of the Indian Navy. In the year of 2020, on this day, Emmy Awards 2020 live, hosted by Jimmy Kimmel from an empty Los Angeles Staples Center, with the nominees attending the show live from their homes. The famous sitcom Schitt's Creek took home and the most awards in a single season, taking home 7 Primetime Awards and 9 Emmys. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code a Bill 2020 was passed by the Parliament. The bill aims to amend the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code 2016 to resolve insolvency in companies and individuals as well. In the year of 2020, on this day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched 9 highway projects and optical fiber internet services in Bihar. Optical fiber services are being provided under Ghar Tak Fiber scheme. These services are to be performed with the joint efforts of the Common Service Center. In the year of 2020, on this day, Novak Djokovic beat Diego Schwartzman of Argentina 7-6-5-3 to win the 2020 men's singles Italian Open title and his fifth overall Rome title. In women's singles, Simona Halep defeated champion Carolina Pliskova 6-0, 2-1 to win the first Italian Open title. In the year of 2020, on this day, Angrita Sherpa of Nepal, the first person to climb Mount Everest 10 times, passed away. He climbed the west tallest mountain between 1983 and 1996, all without bottled oxygen. Hence, he was also known as Snow Leopard for his climbing and skills. In the year of 2020, on this day, India and Maldives launched the first direct cargo ferry service to boost trade between the two countries. The cargo ferry service connected Indian ports of Tuticorin and Cochin ports to Kul, Hudhu, Fusi and Malé ports in Maldives. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.